Hello and welcome to the Market Bull. My name is Rebecca Marsh. Monger Resources is a mineral exploration and development company with a focus on gold and other precious metals discoveries in WA. And I'm joined today by the Managing Director, Lachlan Reynolds. Lachlan, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Recently you've listed on the ASX. How are things progressing?
Things are progressing well. Big thank you to our investors who got behind Monger. We raised $5 million and we've straight away put that money towards both finalising our vendor agreements and getting on with our technical programs at the Monger and East Laverton project areas.
So initial drilling has been completed at the Monger project near Kalgoorlie. What was the results of that work?
So at Monger we were very keen to test a prospect called the Duchess of York, which is an old prospect area, first drilled by Western Mining back in the late 1980s. It had a small historical resource, and so our intention is to try and expand on that resource and see if we can find other ore bodies.
So obviously results are still pending, but what kind of follow-up work can you envisage?
The results, of course, will dictate how we move forward as far as further infill drilling. At the same time, we're progressing a number of other field campaigns, and I have a team out there as we speak collecting soil samples in the hope of identifying new targets elsewhere in the prospect area.
So the company also has some prospective exploration ground near Laverton. What can you tell us about this project?
East Laverton has a couple of attractions for us. One is a gold target at a prospect called Seahorse, which has geological similarities to the rocks that host the Tropicana gold deposit. We're also keen to progress a rare earth element target in the northern part in an area called Point Kidman. And much more conceptual, but we hope potential for major discoveries.
Lachlan, thank you so much for your time today.
Pleasure, thank you, Rebecca.